The Real Bio Protocol documentary script. We tested 26 of the best-selling BCAA supplements on Amazon and found fillers in 19 of them. Your premium amino acid powder is mostly maltodextrin and silicon dioxide, and the brands are counting on you never finding out. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about BCAA supplements. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1, the setup: you walk into any supplement store and the shelves are stacked with BCAA products. Bright labels, pro athletes on the packaging, words like pharmaceutical grade and clinically dosed. You pay $40, $50, sometimes $60 thinking you are getting pure branch chain amino acids. Leucine, isoleucine, valine, the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow. But here's what nobody tells you. The supplement industry is barely regulated. The FDA does not approve these products before they hit shelves. Companies can put almost anything on the label, and as long as nobody gets hospitalized, nobody asks questions. We wanted to know what was actually inside these tubs. So we bought 26 of the top-selling BCAA supplements and sent them to an independent lab for full composition analysis. What came back made us sick. ACT2, the science: out of 26 products tested, 19 contained significant amounts of fillers that were not prominently disclosed. We are talking maltodextrin, silicon dioxide, magnesium stearate, and in 3 cases, rice flour. One product claiming 10 grams of BCAAs per serving actually contained only 6.2 grams of actual amino acids. The rest was filler. The lab results showed systematic underdosing across the board. Products averaging 23% less leucine than claimed. Some had amino acid ratios completely different from what the label stated. One popular brand, advertising a 2:1 ratio of leucine to isoleucine to valine, actually tested at closer to 1.41:1. You are not getting what you paid for, and the worst part, these are not sketchy no-name brands. These are products with thousands of 5-star reviews. Products sponsored by fitness influencers. Products sitting in your gym bag right now. ACT3, how it works. Let me explain why this matters at a biological level. BCAAs work because leucine specifically activates something called mTOR, mammalian target of rapamycin. This is the master switch for muscle protein synthesis. When leucine hits your bloodstream and enters muscle cells, it tells your body to start building. Without adequate leucine, that signal is weak. Your recovery suffers, your gains suffer. Think of it like a light switch. You need a certain threshold of leucine to flip that switch on. Most research suggests around 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per serving. If your supplement is underdosed by 20 or 30%, you might never hit that threshold. You are drinking expensive flavored water while your muscles wait for a signal that never comes strong enough. ACT4, the protocol. So what do you actually do with this information? First, look for third-party tested products. NSF Certified for Sport and Informed Sport are the gold standards. These organizations actually test what is in the bottle. Second, check the amino acid breakdown on the label. If it just says BCAA blend without specifying leucine, isoleucine, and valine amounts individually, that is a red flag. Third, consider the source. Fermented BCAAs from plant sources tend to test cleaner than cheap amino acids derived from human hair and duck feathers. Yes, that is a real thing. Many budget BCAAs are made from keratin extracted from hair and feathers. Look for brands that specify fermented or vegan sourced. Dose at 5 to 10 grams around your training window. If your product is legitimate, you should notice improved recovery within the first 2 weeks. By week 4, reduced muscle soreness becomes obvious. By week 8, you are recovering faster between sessions and potentially adding volume to your training. ACT5, the bigger picture. This is not just about BCAAs. This is about an industry that profits from your trust while delivering substandard products. The supplement market is worth over $150 billion globally. When there is that much money involved and that little oversight, corners get cut. Your health becomes secondary to profit margins. The brands spending millions on marketing are often spending pennies on quality control. You deserve to know what you are putting in your body. You deserve products that match their labels. And you deserve the gains you are working so hard for. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol.